In this video I'm going to show you how to clean and refill our canisters. The ingredients required for making up either an instant or fresh brewed drink are contained in ingredient canisters. These canisters have different capacities ranging from 1 kilogram to 3 kilograms depending on the ingredients. Canisters needs to be checked regularly to make sure we have enough supply. First, remove the foam support for the canister. To refill the coffee beans, close the outlet slide from the canister to seal the fresh beans in canister outlet. Using both hands, remove the coffee bean canister. Attach the canister to the canister filling station at the left side of the machine. Remove the lid of the canister. Fill with correct ingredients. Be sure to check the expiration date. Refit the canister lid and fit the canister into the machine. Open the outlet slide to ensure correct operation by pulling it towards you. Close the canister outlet to upright position, then remove the canister from the machine. Attach the canister to the canister filling station at the left side of the machine. Refill the correct ingredient on the canister. Remove the canister in filling station and refit to the machine. Close the canister outlet to upright position. One by one remove the canister from the machine. Put the canister in a clean and secure location. Using a cleaning cloth or cleaning brush, wipe the surroundings of the machine. Make sure the area is clean and free of ingredient debris to avoid pest infestations. Using a clean cloth or cleaning tissue, wipe the outside of the canisters. Then refit all the canister into the machine. Make sure to perform a complete bowl rinse after fitting the canister.